Hi guys, my name is Harshit and in this video we are looking forward to how to remove the elements in the list. In previous video we already discussed the basics of list and how we can add elements in the list with the help of append function, extend function and insert function. So in for this particular part we will be going through the remove function and the pop function. With the help of these two methods we will be looking forward how we can remove the elements from the list. So let's first just create list. Let's suppose I am giving a list 1 and then initializing some elements in list. Okay. Okay. So our first method will be the pop method. So what it will do? So by default, like as it also takes one argument. If suppose we don't give it a argument, then what it will do is it will remove the last element of the list. But if suppose we are giving that particular argument and that particular argument is nothing but the index number, so that he like it will remove that particular index number element. So let's see it. So let's suppose I'm writing it like list name, then list one dot pop. And now, as I already told you, if suppose I'm not passing any argument inside the pop method, so it will first print that 7, right? And if then I print that list, then it will don't print that 7, the last element. So as you can see that 7 is gone from this particular list, right? And suppose if I am writing any argument inside that pop, let's suppose I am writing like 1. So what is the element on the first index? That is 2, right? As indexing starts from 0, so 1 having an index of 0, 2 having an index of 1, right? So what it will remove? So, oh sorry, so this is list 1, not list 2. So as you can see, it will remove 2, right? It will actually printing the what is the value of that particular index, right? What is that element which is present on that particular index, right? So if I just print that list 1, then you can see that particular element is gone from our list, right? So this is the basic pop method. And now let's discuss about the remove method. Okay. So for remove method, let's do list one dot remove. So we cannot directly pass it remove without any argument. So as you can see, if suppose I just press shift enter, and you can see that it will give me an error, right? Because it always take a particular argument where it's showing that I actually not pass any sort of argument, right? So it is actually believing that I need to pass that particular argument, right? So what is that particular argument? So it is nothing but that particular element which we want to remove. So in pop method, it is that particular argument is the index number, right? But here it is that particular element which we need to remove. So let's suppose I want to remove 3. Okay, so it is present on the first index, right? As you can see, this 3 is present on the first index. So if I just enter it and then I want to print that list 1, then you can see that 3 is gone from our list, right? So this is the difference between the remove and pop. That is that remove, the argument is the index number, and first it will print that particular index number, and then when we print that list, then we can see like that particular argument is the element is not there, and in remove that particular argument is nothing but that element only, right? So if here we can see like I already write it 3, so I want to remove 3 which is present on the first index, and after printing the list I can see that that particular element is not there, right? Okay, so and one thing like this hash is just for the single line comment, which is like in Python we comment with the help of this hash only. So this is the extra thing. Okay, so if suppose I need to remove, let's say list one dot remove, and let's say I want to remove the strings. Okay, so I need to write it strings here in remove. But if I want to remove strings with the help of pop method, so what will I do? I will just pass that particular index number. Okay, so this thing we actually need to just take care of. So if I just write it like print that particular list, so you can see that string is gone, right? So this will be the thing for the how we can remove the elements in a list. So if you haven't watched the previous videos, so I will be pasting the links of the playlist also, the Python tutorial and the string and the list tutorials also in the description box. You can check it from there. And if you haven't subscribed yet, so make sure to subscribe if you are liking a video. And in the next video, we will be discussing about the slicing in list. So till then, bye.